You never give up on me, so how me I go sell up? How me I go trade my bless up for the blessing? How me I go trade my peace down for the stressing? It's just not the same. Never give up on me, so how me I go sell up? How me I go trade the bless up for the blessing? God over money and there is no second guessing. It's just not the same. Oh.
Alright, so this is my 99 Bluebird Nissan SSS, and I'm going to be doing a swap, for engine swap. Currently we have in a QG18, right, and we're going to swap it to a SR18. Me going to swap it to a SR18, right? So we're going to make it magic happen. We start already. You can see jack up and thing. Yeah, so we're going to drop out this engine and drop it in a 18 and make it magic happen, you know. Yeah.
It's just not the same. Never give up on me, so how me I go sell out? How me I go trade the bless up with the blessing? God over money and there is no second guessing. It's just not the same. Come now with the diamonds and pearl, nah. We not sell out. Jesus Christ are the omnipotent, the best in the world. So Babylon can't buy me out, can't even use twine and tie we out. Long time me know the devil see me as a threat. The way me live my life as source for Christ me I get. I'll forever lift mine eyes to the hills from whence cometh my help. The one who gives life.
Alright, so this is where we are. Ready to come down and wash out the thing. Yeah. This is where we are. Engine a drop out, you know. Engine diagram. Almost diagram. Yeah, as you can see, this amount are gone. Back mount gone, front mount gone, crossbar gone with the 2 mount. Bust have a transmission mount now. And drop my ground, jack up the car and take him out, you see me? Hey, water wash me out. Be a water. Be a water wash out the thing. You see it? But every move I'm gonna make one know what I'm going. You see it? Yeah man, I'm gonna drop in 18. Might not today, because we're gonna fall. Alright, see it here. Engine drop out. Ready for take for under this, so. Yeah.
It's just not the same. Never give up on me, so how me I go sell up? How me I go trade the place up with the blessing?
Yeah, we have to do some changes to the loom under the dashboard. Kind of different and that cause a problem. Bun up, tear up. Cause be a problem, so yeah. So me install back this loom, yeah. Reinstall a loom, yeah. And about to put in back the dashboard now. Yeah. Get the original loom with the SR18. And I got you look. Yeah, so this over there. Yeah, I take time put in my loom them look. And thing. Rack and pin I want to change, so I'm going to change that right now. And hold for something. Yeah.